Hello everyone watching. Welcome to the beautiful state of Goa. And welcome to my second attempt at a motovlog. Couple of improvements over the last. I bought a couple of accessories on Amazon, the chin mount and wireless mic and everything. The setup is almost okay. I hope there's a major improvement in the quality of sound. Right now we are headed to Amthani Dam. So this ride is going to be to Amthani Dam and back, and then I'll be going to the gym. So this is it. I'm going to Amthani Dam because the weather is just beautiful. Have a look. So stay tuned. In around 15 seconds more, we will arrive at our location. And this is the place. Well, we used to take our motorcycles down that mud before, but it's not allowed anymore. They've dug up the place, and even this bridge, it's made new because I don't know stuff. This is how the place looks. Let's wait here for 2 minutes. And this right here, this is the Amthani Dam, one of the most beautiful places in Goa, and also one of the worst crossing bridges in Goa. I hate this. This lake that you see here is, I think, man-made, and the water from the lake is used for treatment, and it's treated and it's fed to homes as tap water, I think. This right here, what you see in front of you, this is the road that's being constructed. So this is actually a one-way road. So right now it's being used because this is just not made. After this is done, this would be either to go or to come. You get the point. It's a one-way road. So this was the short ride to Amthani Dam. Now we'll head back because it's almost 6 and it just might rain. If it rains, the camera is going to have a problem because it is not waterproof. And in 5 seconds I will shut up. I will let you enjoy the beautiful scenery here. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening, night, morning, wherever you're watching, whenever you're watching. Bye bye.